In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 300 DPI images using Canva. First, let's check its current DPI. Open your design in Canva, click Share, then click Download. Select PNG as the file type. Increase the PNG file size by setting the Download Size slider to the highest, and click Download. Open the downloaded image folder and check its DPI in the Image Properties or Inspector. Just right-click on the image and select Properties. Go to the Details tab. As you can see, the image DPI is 300. If you want to make a Canva graphic 300 DPI in JPG format, then follow these steps. Open your design in Canva, click Share, then click Download. Choose JPG, push the size or quality slider to the maximum, and click Download. Once downloaded, open the file and check the DPI in the Image Properties. As it is, it shows 300 DPI. Alternatively, you can use the online DPI converter. Go to Google and search for Image DPI Converter. Go to this DPI converter site. Select 300 DPI or set a custom DPI. Click Choose File or drag your image onto the page to upload. It will automatically convert the image to 300 DPI and download the converted image for you. Open the downloaded file and confirm that it shows 300 DPI in the Image Properties.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.